This was done by the what's his name? Kima? Or?
Akira from
Akira.
Japan. Yeah, from Japan. Yeah.
That was him?
Uh-huh.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
man. That's crazy. That's like having Picasso working on something for you,
Yeah,
right?
I was pretty lucky. So.
Yeah. So he takes like customers like in special bases or something?
Not really, not necessarily.
No.
Just kind of got a lot to do it, and so yeah.
Really awesome.
Be a fun event today, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully it cools down a little. Still
I
pretty
hope.
hot.
I mean, today wasn't that bad, like
Yeah.
like yesterday.
Yeah.
But still,
Yeah. Did you go to some other events this morning?
Yeah, I went to Piston House.
Piston House. Yeah.
Yeah.
Justin's deal. Yeah.
Yeah, it's small.
Yeah.
But
yeah. No,
I
Justin's
go
a friend of ours,
every
so.
now and then. That way, I
Yeah.
don't see the
See
same
the same
cars
thing.
all the time.
Yeah, Justin's a good friend.
Yeah.
So.
Espero que esté grabando ahí. Está grabando, mira, a ver. ¿Te ve? Fácil. This guy's sick. Mopar Pride, right here.
Yeah. But you didn't break it though. Yeah. It just like came apart because everybody was missing it. So that doesn't really count. What did you like when it wasn't the best like content.